So releasing pressure.
Yeah.
Overheating, opening up the radiator. Uh-oh, what's going on now? How's it look? Ooh, it's overflowing.
Problem.
I see it dripping. Well, the car continued to overheat, so we're dropping it off at the local mechanic. Hopefully it's nothing too major. Maybe a water pump or something, I don't know. We'll see. Well, we made it back to the house. We're not the only ones with car issues. Grandpa and Grandma had one, but we made it to the mechanic, and I think it might be the belt that drives the water pump. So hopefully it'll be an easy fix and not cost too much.